Hi friend, it's time for another Organizing Tip Tuesday. Be sure to subscribe for Organizing Tip Tuesdays, Financial Transformation Thursdays, and Organizing Session Saturdays. For today's quick tip, I am showing you an Ikea product you probably overlooked because it is unassuming on the store shelf. We use these containers to hold seasoning packets and coffee filters. We store the coffee just below this cabinet. The containers come in glass and plastic options and have endless uses. I prefer glass, but I purchased the plastic version to prevent accidents in case someone pulled the bin out without realizing it didn't have a stopper to prevent it from coming all the way out. These do not have the typical fun Swedish product names and can be difficult to find online, so I have the links to these products for you down below in the description box. Now that you know these products exist, what would you use them for? Have you downloaded the November Home Organizing Challenge yet? It's never too late to get organized, so be sure to grab that from the description box below. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!